Hey everyone, welcome once again in the journey of learning business analysis. And today we are going to see what five essential techniques and skills are there to become a business analyst. If these five skills are there in you, then you are the person who can become business analyst, no doubt. But if you're not having these skills, you can learn it and you can become a business analyst again. Now coming to the point, so in last video I let you know how like what exactly business analyst is, and today I'm gonna let you know what exactly five skills are there to become a business analyst. So number one is good communication skill. So being a business analyst, as I said, you have to act like a bridge between the stakeholders and the IT team, or you can say you have to act like a bridge between the client and your IT development team. You have to understand the requirement from the client and you have to deliver the same thing to your technical team in their own language. So for that purpose, you are the person who is communicating with the client side. Also, you are communicating with the technical team. So you have to be a good communicator. Number second, it comes to interest in business analysis, or you can say interest in businesses. So if you are a person who is not interested in business or you haven't tried of any startups or you are not so interested in learning what exactly and how the business runs, then this field is not for you. This field is for only the person who is interested in business because as a business analyst, you have to solve the business cases, you have to solve the business problems by the help of technology. So the third term is you have to be good in research and analysis. Why it is so? Because you are the person who is the solution provider in your company, as well as you are the person who is the solution provider for your client as well. And the company or the organization is going to pay you such a lot of money just because of your solution providing attitude or just for your the solution you are giving to your clients and your business. So it is very important if you're not having a learning attitude, if you're not having a person who can read a lot and who can learn a lot and give solution to the technical team and the client, then it's tough for you to become a business analyst. Now coming to the fourth point, the learning attitude. So it's really common if you are coming in an IT industry. As it is said, it is very important for everyone to learn in this field. Every day things are updating. So you have to update yourself in each and every minute, in each and every day. If you're not upgrading yourself, it will be difficult for you to become a business analyst and it will be difficult for you to perform business analysis because you have to provide the solution and a person can provide solution who have the learning attitude. Now coming to the last point, that is good understanding of technology. If you're not interested in technologies, if you're not learning technology, you're not familiar with tech, it will be difficult for you to survive in the field of business analysis. So these are the main five, uh, you can say, the skills which are mandatory to become a business analyst. The number one is good communication skill because you have to communicate with the stakeholders and the IT team. Number second is interest in business because you are the person who is going to solve the business problems. Number three, the person who is interested in going to the core of the problem by doing research. If you're not interested in reading and all, then this field is not for you. Number third is learning attitude. If you have the learning attitude, you are a lifelong learner, then this field is perfect for you. And the last one is good knowledge or good understanding in technology. So you have to sound like a technical person because you are dealing with a technical team, you are dealing with the software testers, the software developers, the admin, and all. So for that purpose, you must have to be technical. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to dealing with them. So remember these five core skills are mandatory for becoming a business analyst. If you are a good fit, if you are having at least 3 to 4 skills or even five, then you are a perfect candidate or a perfect aspirant for becoming a business analyst. I'll let you know these things further in another video in detail. So far, thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel for getting this kind of video and to expand your knowledge more about business analysis. Thank you so much.